Hello, this is going to be a necklace pumpkin. So all you need to do is grab some pliers and some necklace string and a pumpkin necklace, whatever choice it is, and then you need LED lights here, and a small ring so it can attach from here to the string. And I'm going to show you how to do it. All you need is some pliers to wind up this, what I did, and then you attach it here. Then you attach it here like this, and then you close up with the you need is to close the ring so gently with the pliers, and you need to watch it so closely that it can't fall there. It's attached, and all you need is the LED lights, and then you put one hoop here, and you put it down, and then lights like this, because then it will light up very. So all you need to do to get the paper out of here, because it's going to block the system, and then it's starting to light up like this. It lights up now. There, you hook it up here, and then the next one, all you have to do is the same. So you have to repeat it again if you want to do some colours. Hard to open. So you need a different one. It is really hard to open. Here, so paper again. So you screw the lid on. And you adjust length as well, and you can. That's it. That's all you have to do.